What is semantic computing and why do we need it? We need it because there's so much data to contend with, gathered from so many devices. So how do we make sense of it all? And what is it? Well, we can trace its origins back to Tim Berners-Lee, the man credited with inventing the internet.
And in 1998, he came up with another concept, and that was he called that the semantic web. Wouldn't it be nice if all these computers that were linked together in the World Wide Web actually could communicate with each other without human intervention?
That sounds a bit scary. Haven't we seen that before?
Arnold Schwarzenegger is the Terminator.
So is that what semantic computing is? Computers thinking like humans?
That's the end game, if you like, and that's what cognitive computing is. But in order to be able to get there, you have to have, the data has to have some meaning and some context. The next element is a thing called an ontology, which if you think of a dictionary and then a taxonomy, the ontology is the next step in that level of sophistication. A dictionary has a meaning, a thesaurus collects synonyms, if you like, and a taxonomy collects them in a particular subject, if you like.
Right.
So an ontology is like that, and it stores this meaning and this context separately from the data, but it's available so that when a computer is looking at the data, it has access to the ontology as well, so that it has this meaning and this context.
So, in a nutshell, traditional data analysis involves taking very structured data, processing it and storing it in a database, which is then accessed by data analytical tools. A process that is limited by the fact that only structured data was used in the first place. With semantic computing, unstructured data can also be used, with ontologies used to help make sense of the data in the semantic processor, which is then analyzed using more advanced query tools. So now you know, and next time someone casually asks you what semantic computing is all about, they'll be so impressed with your answer.